Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today's a bit of a choose your own adventure type of bark. I'm going to call this JDD bark because we're starting off with that pecan pie bark that I made the other week that was super delicious and so easy, but I've decided to take it to another level. That's right. I'm going to be adding some Oreos on top, some chocolate chips on top, some coconut on top, and marshmallows also. This bark will last, well, a long time. I think I had my previous one in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks, and it was great, still fantastic, and I gave it out as gifts, even better. But as time approaches for the big game, the big holiday, the big whatever, this is a great thing to give out, a great thing to keep, a great thing to munch on. It's just great. And feel free to choose your own adventure. What are you going to put on yours? Of course, I was inspired by this song. L is for the love of this adventure bark. Adventure bark? JDD bark. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your cookie sheet ready to go with some foil that I have buttered up. Third thing that you want to do is get all your ingredients ready to go. I got my frozen marshmallows right here, and that's right, frozen, because they will just do a whole lot better when you put them on. Just trust me, trust me. Okay, start by laying out your graham crackers just like this and putting them face down because why not? I have taken the Oreos apart because I'm going to smash the cream filling straight on top of this graham cracker so it sticks just like that. Again, it's all about taking it to the next level. Medium heat. Add your 2 sticks of butter, sugar, salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Bring to a boil for 2 minutes, stirring consistently. You're looking for it to get foamy like it is right now and also be pulling away from the spoon. It should ultimately look like a peanut butter by the time it's done. It's looking thick and it's looking like peanut butter. We're going to remove it from the heat. Add your vanilla slowly. It is going to spurt. Don't be scared. Okay, because you're adding something cold into something extremely hot. Just keep stirring. Stir, 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 stir. Don't stop. Pour over your graham crackers and or whatever else that you have decided to use. We'll spread that out. Nice thick layer. Into the oven for 10 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Time's up. It is hot and bubbly. Let's take it out. Oh my, it is shaking and shimmying just like we want it. Let's add our toppings. Start by adding our chocolate chips. They are, of course, your choice. I've got a combination here of semi-sweet and of milk chocolate chips. It's about a half a cup. Let's add on about a half a cup of marshmallows right on top. And yes, these are frozen. They will do just fine. Again, trust me here. Let's sprinkle on some coconut. This is about a 1/4 cup. Add it back in the oven for about 2 minutes just to get it hot and bubbly again. 2 minutes are up, just enough time to warm up that chocolate a bit and get those marshmallows a little bit more mushy. Just gonna press it all down so it all sort of melts together nicely. Look at that, smushing those marshmallows. Love this. Let your bark cool completely. So let it get to room temperature and then stick it in the fridge. The bark is nice and cold. So let's take it off of this foil. There we go. Look at that, so easy. Now let's start breaking it into pieces. It's breaking apart really nicely. Look at that. Yum, look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's got the graham cracker, it's got that Oreo filling, the Oreo, the caramel on top with the marshmallows and the chocolate chips and the coconut. I mean, come on. Outrageous, outrageous. But it's all in the taste. So let's give this a bite. I mean, come on. This is ridiculously delicious. If you like caramel, you'll love these. Do you like marshmallows? You'll love these. Do you like Oreos? You'll love these. It's got like all the flavors of everything all wrapped up into one delicious bark-like thing that you can give away as gifts or keep for yourself. Yeah. If I can make my own variation of a bark, JDD bark, so can you. What are you going to put on yours? Are you going to add nuts to yours or not? Add the coconut, no coconut, maybe just coconut or just chocolate chips? The possibilities are endless. But what you should do is make it because you're going to love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more. And if you've seen any products I've used here, check out my Amazon link in my bio. Just enjoy this.